walang sacred cow sa'yo?
I'd like to be very, siguro, I would like to be more respectful to people who are voted on top of the situations. I would send my message in a way. There are many ways to decoding messages na ipadala para dumating sa itaas. But I'm not the kind of person who say, hey,
Yeah, okay.
respect is that he was voted. So I can do some other things indirectly na makaabot dun sa itaas. But
Yeah.
if I have nothing good to say that will hurt and start a war, I wouldn't. I would not. I would rather not say that because hindi naman yun ang hinahanap ko eh. Our job is not to
Tama.
create a fight. Our job is to make a difference. Our job is to enlighten,
Hindi ka atake
educate.
ng atake na wala.
I am not a loose cannon. No, I don't believe in that.
Yeah.
Mananawa ang tao sa'yo eh.
Totoo.
Ang
Totoo
eventually
yun.
sasabihin ng tao, galit sa mundo to.
Oo.
Wala nang ginawa
May
to.
problema
kundi
to.
puro-
Oo, di ba?
Pag gano'n na may problema. That's not who we are.
So you don't believe then that fourth estate should always be adversarial?
Well, it depends on how you look at the situations. You can be adversarial in terms of principle. I could be your adversary, not on your personal, your professional, but I could be an adversary in terms of principle. Prinsipyo mo. At ang prinsipyo, hindi magkatugma. Eh, hindi tayo magkapareho. So, parang partido rin yan eh.
Can you still be friends with people na hindi kayo pareho ng prinsipyo?
Kung hindi naman tayo pwedeng, kumbaga, kung hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan, wag lang tayo mag-away. Which is basically, I heard from one of the sect leader after, seeing, kung hindi naman pwedeng tayong magkaibigan, wag tayong mag-away. Why create enemy? I think it's more effective and just, coexist.
Bitag was conceptualized by you.
Yes.
And when was this?
This was back in March 28th of Monday, Thursday, sa Plantation Bay. It was like making a decision. What am I going to do? Where am I going? I need to do something better because from an executive and started to run a newspaper and hindi ako challenge. So that's bitag. Bitag is called trap.
Yeah.
But there's a good trap and there's a bad trap. Before, to me, bitag was more of a negative. Bitagin kita eh.
Parang ganun eh.
Parang
Yung unang,
siraulo eh.
yeah.
Sa bawat kasamaan ay may hangganan. Ang bawat kasamaan ay makatapat na patibong ng bitag. Matalinghaga, hindi. So it was created that way, but it evolved. It was more of a challenge to prove na kaya ko kayo. Wala ako sa malaking network, sa maliit na network ako. Pero may isang programang bitag and that was the thing. And so pumutok yun. Lagi na pag nakikita ng may sa labas, magsisiya, hulog sa bitag! And then, sino yung nahulog sa bitag? So, makita ang sarili namin sa gilid-gilid. Sino kayong bibitagin? Sino bibitagin? Takot. Even up to now, son. Because I felt bad before, years back, na parang, ba't ganun? Parang napaka-bad boy ng dating ko. Which is, ang feeling ko kasi, okay na nga, bad boy na. Kung bad boy din naman ang mga target ko eh.
And how successful are you in terms of changing that? Yung output ng show mo is more, di ba?
Okay, yes. We believe in consistency, constancy, and regularity.
Okay.
You must have the passion and dedication, the real thing. That's the drive. Kung wala ka ng passion, wala ka ng dedication sa ginagawa mo, it's hard to be consistent. It's hard to be regular and constant to what you do. So, yun lang. Hanggat meron kang, as long as it's there, you will continue to be who you are.
At kumusta ngayon ang mga shows mo, Kuya Ben? Saan-saan napapanood? Alam mo, sa YouTube, marami kang followers. Yung Facebook mo, daming followers, di ba?
We decided to, now these days, Ate Son, nagbago ng panahon, ano? There's digital platform and traditional platform. The digital platform are internet-based platforms such as
Yeah.
YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or website. So anything driven by the internet. Okay.
Yeah.
The traditional media platforms are television,
Yeah.
terrestrial, AM,
Yeah.
TV,
Free TV,
FM,
yeah.
free TV. So we like to create a balance kung saan kami napapanood. Alam namin na napapanood kami worldwide sa mga Filipino communities in the United States and UK,
Yeah.
in Southeast Asia kung saan may mga Filipino communities through our internet channel, sa aming YouTube channel.
At hindi lang sa Maynila,
Yes.
dinadala nyo sa probinsya. Kanya nandito na yung bitag
Yes.
sa CLTV36.
Yes.
What does it mean for you not to be part of CLTV36?
Well, number one, we felt na parang explore a regional territory such as Region 3. Malakas kayo sa Region 3. And you have, other provinces in Region 3 that were, spill over yung signaling
Yeah.
sa cable din. So we felt that another thing, we see Pampanga also as an area of, progress, and you'll see a lot of establishments, businesses coming over, the expansion. And so it's a growing and fluid, community. So we believe that siguro nag-iisang TV kayo rito eh. Others are dependent sa Manila. So
Yeah.
since you're regional and local, so you're basically localizing everything. Kami naman kasi wala kami worldwide, netwide, nationwide, or regional or provincial. We just would like to, feed yung aming shows regardless kung munisipyo ka or probinsya ka or rehiyon ka, syudad ka, or sa NCR ka. It doesn't make any difference. But here now sa CLTV, we have to study carefully yung demographics and profiles, specifically yung kanilang wants. And not only that, but also yung kanilang desire in terms of the content. Kung ano yung gustong mapanood, kung ano yung gustong mapalabas. I would encourage those people watching us now, if you are in the area and if you are local, if you're in this regional, I would love to say, give me parang let me ask you, what is it that I can do for you?
Okay.
Or tell me exactly what kind of shows do you think that might just fit?
Yeah.
And what kind of issues do you want me to discuss in terms of being here? Kasi nagbi-beam kami, point to point
Yeah.
kami. Sa Manila kami, pero binabato namin sa inyo. Now we have to balance, the city and the regional, like in your area.
You are really trying to reach out to the communities talaga,
Yes.
to the grassroots.
Yes.
Kung nasaan yung mga masa na posibleng nangangailangan ng
Yes.
tulong.
In the same manner, I believe that BTAG should be reaching out to the community, not the community reaching out to BTAG.
Yeah. And that's the reason why from Manila,
Yes.
gusto, magiging home network na ang CLTV36.
Yes,
What does it mean pag sinabing home network ang CLTV36 sa Central Luzon? What does it mean?
It's a big thing for us because Central Luzon is an area where you have a different, sabihin natin, different taste, flavor, and aroma
Yeah.
ng mga issues ninyo rito as compared to national. Kasi masyado akong national. That's
Yeah.
more in socio-economic, more in terms. But now you have to balance what's
Yeah.
going on the regional.
Yeah. Are you also going to take up local issues, for example?
Oh, of course, yeah. We can discuss local issues if there's anything reason for me
From
to discuss.
time to time, we can discuss
Yes,
local
yeah,
issues,
yeah.
di ba, Kuya Ben?
Yes.
I can consult you on
Yes.
what you think of this from
Yeah.
your perspective.
Yes.
And also from our perspective here.
Yes. No
Ang
problem.
ganda, ang ganda. Makikinig tayo sa isa't isa.
Yes.
Matututo ako sa iyo, di ba?
Well, I can also learn from you based on because you're local, because
Yeah.
this is your
True.
territory, and so who else can give me input, and give me the eyes and the ears of what's going on.
Yeah.
Malaking bagay para
And
sa
that's
amin to integrate
partnership.
it. Yes.
That's partnership.
Yes.
Mutually beneficial,
Yes.
respectful
Yes. Yes.
relationship.
Okay.
Naku, Kuya Ben, maraming salamat for choosing CLTV36
my-
to be your home network in Central Luzon.
My pleasure.
We
My
are
pleasure.
so proud
Well,
and we are so thankful.
likewise.
Malaki ang maitutulong nyo rin sa mga tao rito.
Yes.
Kasi minsan nga, tama eh.
Yes.
Kuya Ben, kung minsan, kahit sa lokal, nararamdaman pa rin ng mga tao na tila hindi sila nabibigyan ng atensyon, ng kinauukulan. And as a member of the Fourth Estate, I feel that we should be really doing what is best for our people all
Yes.
the time, hindi ba, Kuya Ben?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
At Kuya Ben, tayo ay pinakikinggan, pinapanood ng mga taga Central Luzon. Ano ang mensahe mo sa kanila? Please invite them to watch your
Okay.
shows on our linear television, sa free TV, sa buong Central Luzon, at nationwide, of course.
Okay. Well, this is what I'm gonna say. Lahat po kayong nanonood sa amin, I'm sorry, hindi po ako marunong mag-Kapampangan. So, magtatagalog na lang ako.
Matututo ka, Kuya Ben,
Inanyayahan po
Kapampangan.
namin kayong sumubaybay sa aming mga programa sa Bitag Multimedia Network in partnership with the CLTV36. Mga bagay na gusto namin mangyari is pakinggan kayo, listen to you, ano man ang mga reklamo o mga sumbong na gusto naming bigyan ng karampatang solusyon. Marami kami sa media, sana mas marami pa rin gumawa ng ganitong klaseng sistema na programa. Kasi una sa lahat, pag public service, totoo, wala kang kinikita. Magsumikap ka ng kumita, kumita
Yeah.
ka. We're not entertainment. Public affairs is okay, but public service sa pagtulong,
Yeah.
medyo hindi ganun kadali. But we're more than willing to help. So looking forward sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa CLTV. Nandito na si Bitag. Madali na kaming lapitan, madali kami puntahan.
Maraming salamat, Kuya Ben.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Dakala salamat.
All right.
And welcome to CLTV36.
Okay. Arigato.
Maraming salamat, Kuya Ben. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumubaybay sa amin sa unang pagkakataon. Pero tandaan nyo, hindi po ito ang una at huli sapagkat sa mga darating pang panahon, makakasama po natin si Kuya Ben Tulfo para harapin ang iba't ibang isyong lokal din, hindi lang national. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli.